Homemade sweeping car robot small toys. All you need is a small cardboard box, 2 bottle caps, and a bamboo skewer. Take a box and cut it out like I did. Take 2 bottle caps and drill a hole in the center. Take a stick and put them on the box. Because the caps have lines on them, they can be used as tires for the car to have friction. Stick the cardboard to the stick with double-sided tape. Cut it up for better results. You can glue more than one. Lastly, stick on the eyes. Wherever it drives, the garbage will be swept into the car. The back of the car can be opened and the garbage can be emptied out. Amazing, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next installment.